Hello, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. I drop video tutorials on awesome designs you can create with just your smartphone. Don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on your notification to get alerted whenever I drop new video tutorials.
Alright, you are welcome to this video tutorial again. This is Iniski Designs, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create blur effect. Yes, blur effect like this. Look at this, my design. Yeah, I use blur effect for this. After creating the design, then I engage the blur effect, and it made my design awesome. Yes, so let me show you. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, it made the design look more beautiful. Alright, so let's go right into the tutorial. So the first thing is to get the icon that you want to blur, whether the icon or the background, anyone that you want to blur. That's the first step. For this design. Yeah, let me show you what I did for this design. Okay, yes, alright. So this was, now look at this was the design I created. This was the design I created. Yes, I created this design from Pixellab. If you need a tutorial on how I created this design, kindly tell me in the comment below, then I'm going to create a video on that. Alright, so this was the design I created. Then after creating this design from scratch, then I blurred it. Alright, so for this blur effects, I actually use two apps. One app majorly, I use one app. The name of the app you're going to know before the end of this video. Yes, I'm going to drop the link to the app in the description below. Just check it out in the description below. You are going to get the link to the app there. Alright, so let me show you the step-by-step process of how I did this. So I said this was the design. I designed this from scratch with my Pixellab app. Then after designing it, I went to blur it. So let me take us to the app I used. Yes, let me take us right there. Alright, so this is the app. This is the app I use. This is the app I use. The name of the app is Snapseed. Yeah, check the description below. You are going to get a link. The app is in Play Store, so I'm going to drop a link in the description below where you can get the app. Alright, so the first thing is, after opening your app, you are going to see something like this. Yeah, you are going to see something like this. Yeah, so the next thing you are going to do is to tap this plus icon. You are going to tap that plus icon, and after doing that, you are going to pick the image that you want to blur. Alright, so you are going to click on the image that you want to blur, or the icon. In this case, I want to blur an image. It is the same process if you want to blur an icon. Alright, so yes, this is the image. Look at this. This is the image. So I'm clicking on it right away. Yes, this is it. So now I've imported the image into the app. So the next thing I did was to click on pop. Yeah, I click on pop. Look at this pop, though it's not necessary actually. Okay, let's not go into that. Let me just show us how to blur the image. Yes, I don't want this video to be too long actually. Alright, so to blur the image, this is what you are going to do. You are going to click here. Look at it. Yes, this. You are going to click on this. You are going to click on this. Yes, so after clicking on it, you are going to look for lens blur. Yeah, this is lens blur. Look at it. This is lens blur. Then you are going to tap on it. Yes, you see that? You see automatically that blur effect is already visible. You can see that blur effect now. So you are now going to adjust it. Yeah, you are going to adjust it. This video tutorial is not about Snapseed. If not, I could have taken us through the old tool. But if you need a video on that too, kindly just drop your say I need it in the comment section. Alright, so let's continue with this video. This is the blur. So you are going to increase the blur strength depending on what you want. Depending on what you want. Yes, and this, look at this. You see that those the elements inside this are not blurred. So if you want to blur them, what you do is that you reduce it. You see what I'm doing? You reduce the size. Yes, you reduce the size like this. Look at it. Then you reduce the size this way. Okay, so look at, yes, yeah. All right, so sorry. Okay, now we have what we want, but you're not going to leave this here. You're going to move it to somewhere here. You're going to move it to or anywhere in the edges so that it won't disturb what we've designed. So if you still want to reduce the blur strength, you can do that. Look at, you can do that. You can easily do that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is transition. Look at transition. Look at this. This is transition. Look at, this is transition. Look at, you see this second. If I open it, look at, you are going to see two circles, or can I call them semicircle? Two round shape. So the ones here are more blurred than the ones here. Then the ones inside here are not blurred at all. So that's the difference. So you are going to reduce the transition to 0. Yes, to 0. Then you are now going to reduce the size of this. Then go to transition. Reduce it. Look at it. Then you now move this. Yeah. So look at, we already created what we want. This is the blur. Then you can now, if you need vignette, yes, this is dark. Sorry, this is dark color. Yes, this is dark effect. That is vignette. Alright, so if you need that, you can also adjust that. to what you want. Okay. Yeah, let's blur it. Now look at it. It is this simple. This is just all it is about blur effect. If you want to blur an icon too, it's the same process actually. If you want to blur an icon, only that you are going to focus this. You are going to focus this on the icon that you want to blur. Alright, so thank you for watching. That is just all about this video, blur effect. Then after doing it like this, you click here. Yes, it's loading. Okay, if you want to check the difference between the present image that you've edited and the original image, just tap and hold your screen. Look at it, just tap and hold it. So this is it. Alright, so we already have what we want. Then you are now going to save it. To save, this is it. Look at this. To save it, just tap here. Then you can save. Also, you can click on export. You can also export as. So you can, I would advise you to use export. Alright, thank you for staying with me to this point. That is just the simple method on how to blur your image. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you keep getting amazing content like this and tips and tricks. Also, you can check out my other videos. If you're a Pixellab user, those videos are really videos that you need. Yes, they are tips, they are tricks that you really need to watch. So thank you for staying with me to this point. Don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on your notification to be the first to receive my video alerts whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for staying with me to this point. See you in the next video. Thank you.